It's been almost 3 weeks and people are still not ready to let Sushant Singh Rajput rest in peace. Now, while the police continue their investigation, there was a demand for a CBI inquiry that was doing the rounds on a social media platform. Now, while all this hostility continues, it seems like it has forced Sushant's co-star from his last film Dil Bechara to leave the city. Sanjana Sanghi has decided to leave the city and the reality is that it might just be for good. Here's the story. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस में पुलिस ने अब संजय लीला भंसाली, कंगना रनावत और शेखर कपूर को पुलिस स्टेशन स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए बुलाया है। सोर्सेस का कहना है कि पुलिस इस मामले में हर उस शख्स से पूछताछ करने के बारे में प्लान कर रहे हैं जिसका सुशांत से रिमोटली भी कोई भी कनेक्शन हो सकता है। As the film industry and the nation recovers from the shocking demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, ferocious debates about the working of the film industry continues to rage. While the family has bid Sushant a final goodbye, there are members of the film fraternity who have started a campaign demanding a CBI inquiry into his death. जहां एक तरफ accusations around this case is getting more intense, वहीं Sushant's latest co-star Sanjana Sanghi has left Mumbai and from her social media post, we feel कि शायद she has left the city forever. The police have been investigating all aspects of the case to try and determine why Sushant may have taken this drastic step.
इस सेंसिटिव केस को बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हैंडल कर रही है और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए, जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी।
सुशांत पे हुए मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन की रिपोर्ट से कोई भी फाउल प्ले के साइंस नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बट there is a section of Sushant's fans and celebrities like Shekhar Suman and Sonu Nigam who have taken a deep interest in the case and have been demanding for a CBI probe.
और मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है अपने आप ही सोशल मीडिया पर जिसका नाम है जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत फोरम। उसमें लाखों लोग जुड़ गए हैं।
The hashtag CBI must for Sushant was trending on a microblogging platform with several fans and singer Sonu Nigam sharing pictures of the star and in some cases his heartbroken father to raise their voice online for justice.
हम सबकी एक यही मांग है कि जो हुआ है और जो दिखाई दे रहा है, जो आंखों को दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कहीं कुछ ज्यादा प्रतीत होता है।
इस सारे शोर और ड्रामा के बीच Sushant's last co-star Sanjana Sanghi made her quiet exit from Mumbai. Sanjana was questioned by the Mumbai police recently in connection to Sushant's passing and has clarified that there was no conflict between her and the actor as the grapevine had suggested. संजना posted a selfie from the airport, लेकिन फोटो के साथ accompanying caption से लगता है that शायद संजना will not be returning to Mumbai anytime soon or maybe forever.
Everyone who loves you is forever going to be grateful for the gift that you have left behind, which is the amazing work that you've done and the life that you've lived, and I just wish you'd never done this.
संजना ने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा, खुदा हाफिज मुंबई, 4 महीने बाद आपके दर्शन हुए, मैं चली दिल्ली वापस। आपकी सड़कें कुछ अलग सी लगी, सुनसान थी, शायद मेरे दिल में जो दुख है मेरे नजरिए को बदल रहे हैं, या शायद फिलहाल आप भी थोड़े दुख में हैं। मिलते हैं जल्दी या शायद नहीं। Sanjana, who will be seen with Sushant in Dil Bechara that is due for an online release this month, had shared some heart-wrenching posts when the actor passed away where she wrote, "Whoever said time helps heal all wounds was lying. Some feel like they're being ripped open again and again and bleeding. We're going to spend an eternity to try to make sense of what you've left us behind with, and I personally never will be able to. We hope you find peace and healing too, Sanjana, and we really wish that you come back to Mumbai and find great films to be a part of."
Because it's okay to. Sending lots of love.